Now let's set up those animations. So let's grab a reference to the animator. Animator, anim. I just like to call it anim. Let's go ahead and cache this reference. I'm going to say anim is equal to get component animator. And in our update, let's go ahead and set all of our animations to default. That way when the loop is over, they'll go back to their default state, whatever they were to begin with. So anim.setBool is idle. And set this to true. And let's go back to Unity real quick and look at our animator. And we're using all of these parameters to control our animation states that we did into the last video. So they all have to be spelled exactly how they are here. So let's go back. Anim setBool is attacking. We're going to set that to false. Anim setBool is walking. We're going to set that to false. Then as soon as we are within our engaged distance, we're going to set the idle to false. Oops. And then inside of our attack distance, where we start moving towards our player in the particular direction, let's set up the is walking. So anim.setBool is walking. We're going to set that to true. And then inside of our attack distance, let's go ahead and set up our is attacking animation. Anim setBool is attacking, and set that to true. Okay, let's save that and let's go back. All right, let's play it. So he should be idling by default. We'll move closer. He's walking, perfect. Get too close, he starts attacking us. Perfect, so all that's wired up correctly. So now let's go ahead and damage our robot. To damage the robot, let's get a reference to our robot's controller. Public robot controller. Okay, and this is where we also need to have a public float attack damage. Let's set this to, let's say 2 for now. Okay, let's go down to where we're calling our attack. Right here, after this, let's call on the robot controller. Get component in children. We're going to ask for the player health. And then our current health. And we're going to minus equal that to our attack damage. Okay, let's go have a look at that. Save it, go back. You can see we have 2 new variables. The robot controller, we need to drag and bring him in here. And our attack damage is 2. So let's play that. Okay, let's get in range and let him attack us. And our health goes way down real fast. So we can just decrease that. Let's just set that at 0.2. Play. Awesome, there our health goes down. Away from him, loses interest, starts walking towards us, he'll eat us. Now our robot also needs the ability to damage the zombie. We can right click and shoot our bullets, but nothing happens to him. So let's fix that. Before we set that up, make sure that you go to the tag and make sure that you have the bullet tag selected, add tag, and you have the bullet right here. And then go back to your prefabs and then your objects and your bullet and make sure that it is tagged with bullet. We're going to do a check for tags for our damage. So let's go back to our script, and at the very bottom of here, let's create a new private void on trigger enter 2D. And here we're going to look at those collisions. So if the collision dot game object dot tag is equal to bullet. Then if it is equal to bullet, then we're going to remove some of our health. Let's say minus equal 10. Okay. And if our health gets to below 0, let's go ahead and destroy the zombie. So destroy game object. Let's destroy it after 2 seconds. Okay. Save that, go back, let it compile. Alright, let's play it. Let's right click. Let's select the zombie so we can see. Oh, yep, he died. That was quick. Let's give the zombie a health bar so we can see what's going on. I'm going to cheat on this one a little bit, so let's right click on the zombie, go to 2D object and a sprite. Let's rename this to health bar. I said cheat, this isn't really cheating, this is just an easy way to set up a floating health bar for your 2D characters. So on the sprite, let's select it, and let's choose one of the health bars that we were using, and I believe that was a element, and that element here, element 209, that's what we're using for our other health bar. Let's select it, let's set it to red, bring it above his head. Right there. So what we're going to do here is we're going to reduce the scale of the actual sprite to give it that look of, hey, I'm losing health. Okay, set that back. Go into script. Let's get a reference to that health bar. So that's going to be a public sprite render. We'll call this health bar. Let's go back at the bottom. And right here, after our health, oh, I see why it destroyed so easy earlier. So we need to say if our health is less than or equal to 0, then let's destroy the object. And I believe we also have an animation here. So anim.setBool is dead. Set that to true. So again, when we're reducing the health on the zombie, let's show it visually on that health bar. And the health bar, let's call that health bar dot get component transform, and then we're going to reduce the local scale and set that to minus equal a new vector 3 0.1. Sounds pretty good. 0, 0, 0. And let's save that and go back. And let's go to the zombie. Get a reference to the health bar. Yep, let's grab it and bring it down there. Let's play it. All right, so we can see it. We have the health bar. He moves. The health bar moves with him. Let's right click and the health. We can see that the health bar reduced in size and our health reduced as well. And he died. Perfect. All right, that's pretty short and sweet. Let's go ahead and wrap that up there. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Till then.